Hi guys, sorry I'm like so close. I'm just trying to get all the phone cases that I own. You guys probably guessed the video already. I'm doing an iPhone 5 phone case collection. So my phone is charging right now. If you guys seen my video where I'll show you guys what's inside my iPhone 5. Check it out. Okay, and you guys would know it's a black iPhone 5 and it's cracked. So yeah, the first iPhone case I'm gonna show you is the one I used today but took it off. I always like use my phone case that matches my outfit. So yeah, I use this black dotted, like, it has dots on it for some reason, silicone iPhone case, and it's very chic, very like a person like me. And yeah, so the second phone case I'm going to be showing you guys is this black cold-blooded one. And it just says gold-blooded, not cold-blooded. Gold's because you have a golden heart, but right here I have a red heart. So yeah, but gold-blooded. And then I have this really nice dirty white phone case. This is how it came like when I got it. Oh god. And I forgot where I got all these phone cases. So yeah. Next I'm going to show you is, so those were all my silicone ones. Both of those, the white one and gold-blooded one, they were hard and they were silicone. So yeah. Now I want to show you all my plastic phone cases, which I only have 2. Okay. So I have this cute Hello Kitty phone case, and it just says Hello Kitty, and it has a Hello Kitty face on it, and yeah, it's just like that. Not bendable, but yeah. The next one is this Victoria's Secret Wings one, and I like this one so much. It's plastic, but then we have like this nice runaway leather on it. And then I'm going to show you my Bedazzled phone case, which I only have one, so it's this cute gold, it's like this cute gold and silver bedazzled phone case. It has like the roar or prism sign on it of Katy Perry. And that's how I got it. It's from the Katy Perry collection. Now I'm going to show you one of my Otter boxes. And I only have one, so this is an Otter box. It's like, it has plastic in the front, and it's hard on the back. Next I'm going to show you this one. I think it's plastic. I don't know what to call this. Okay, I'm going to call this hard rubber. So I'm going to call this hard rubber. So I have this cute spec pink and white hard rubber phone case. It's very cute and plain. And this is one of my new phone cases I got. It's a hard rubber phone case, and you guys can see myself. It has a USB cord, which is this one. Once you take it off, you plug it in like your car to, you know, like you plug a charger in your car so you can charge it. So you plug it inside your car, and you basically charge your phone, and you can put it back on just like this. And I got this phone case since I recently got it. I got it at like Claire's. And yeah, those are all my phone cases. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.